Welcome back to MTH Health. You've been asking for a guide to salon smooth skin. Today, I'm delivering the ultimate Brazilian waxing masterclass. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or honing professional skills, this tutorial ensures a perfect result every time. Let's dive in. A successful wax starts with proper preparation. Your hair must be a 1/4 inch long. First, sanitize the area using a gentle, alcohol-free cleanser. Next, apply a thin layer of pre-wax oil. This step is crucial. It creates a barrier, helping the wax grip hair, not skin. This prevents irritation and maintains professional care standards. Precision is key during waxing. Use a fresh spatula, never double dip. Apply wax firmly, following hair growth direction. Create a slightly thicker lip at the end of your patch. Once set, the secret is the parallel pull. Hold the skin taut and pull back quickly. Keep your hand close to the skin for minimal tension, ensuring hair removal from the root. For sensitive areas, smaller patches give you better control. They significantly reduce discomfort. If you feel a sting, apply firm pressure with your palm. This confuses nerve endings and calms the area. If you find stubborn hairs, avoid re-waxing the same spot. We'll address them during cleanup to protect your skin barrier. Aftercare is essential for a flawless finish. For the next 24 hours, treat the area gently, no heat, sweat, or tight clothing. Apply a cooling, aloe-based gel to soothe follicles. In 48 hours, start exfoliating to prevent ingrown hairs. This ensures smooth results until your next session. Mastering this technique requires patience, but these professional steps will elevate your results. If this masterclass helped you, thumbs up and subscribe to MTH Health. Have questions about your waxing routine? Let's discuss in the comments below.